My name is Kawthar Al-Hamad, and I'm a networking and security graduate from Ajwan University. This is my team member.
My name is Amna Sulaiman. I'm a computer engineering student from UAE University, and we present our project Dir'aa.
Our startup idea is called Dir'aa. Dir'aa is known as a shield. And why we chose this name is because our startup idea is to combat phishing attempts. The phishing attempts are at a high rise right now, and they're increasing significantly in the next few years. And nowadays you have elderly and young people using digital communications. They all have phones, they have service, and anyone that tries to attempt them and they click on the link, for example, then their information is leaked, as it makes it easier to access other people's information. So with that, we're trying to not only protect everyone that is not fully aware of those attempts, but also proactively notify them and let them know that before you even click on it, this is an illegitimate communication. This is the idea.
Okay. Our program also gets smarter over time by integrating AI. The AI understands the scammer's patterns, and it can predict future scam attempts. It can predict future phishing attempts, and it can also detect specific spammers and identify them from each other. So we're hoping to have a real-time solution and a reactive solution.
We want to collaborate with users as well as enterprises, businesses and authorities to make sure, first of all, that from the enterprise point of view and the business point of view, their database, their customer database is secure. So our AI will be able to recognize any patterns in customers, what's the commonality between them, and inform the business that, listen, all of your customers are being targeted right now. Same thing with authorities, where we report every attempt, and this way we can significantly or try to significantly decrease.
And by reporting in real time, it takes some of the weight off the victims and focuses on the scam attempt itself instead of the victim and what they lost.
So prevention better than what a cure.
Yeah.
I think overall, in the UAE, there is a culture where you get whatever you want whenever you want it. So a lot of people use shipping services, and shipping services do communicate digitally with the customers. And there's a lot of distrust that happens due to phishing attempts. So with that, what we want to do is restore the trust between customers and the companies that we work with.
We're curious, first of all, on how experts in this matter work and understand our topic and our project specifically. We want other points of views, obviously, because we want to create a solution that is widespread and a solution that everyone can use. We're hoping we can benefit from the expertise. We're hoping we can benefit from the investors. We're hoping we can understand our project better through CyberE71 and have a fresh perspective as well.
Yeah, I agree with her. I think the expertise, they have more knowledge about the industry. We can, if we're looking at 5-term solutions, they will help us look at it in 20 years, 15 years. How can I make the solution long-lasting? And how can I ensure that the infrastructure that I'm setting up my startup with right now is the best possible way, most efficient, most secure. And there are things that we just know as students or graduates, which, let's say, they have the experience that we don't. And it's always important to benefit from someone else's experience.